Hello everyone. I did the face reading workshop with Manoj Kumar Nair, and what an enriching experience it has been. Before doing the workshop, I looked at people's faces only to gauge their age, see their expressions, and maybe look at the color of their eyes. While I was at the workshop, I was surprised at the vast knowledge that is available on the subject, like the breakup of a person's age on a person's face, the accidents that may have happened in a person's life, the mindset of the person. All this was very, very different for me. After doing the workshop, I feel much more empowered to deal with people because there are no more shocks. As I know each and every person like an open book, the more I observe, the more I read them, just like the back of my hand. That has added to my self esteem as well. Thank you, Manoj Kumar.